So you're looking to add a little bit of style to your home, or like us, your RV. Welcome to the inside of my RV, and let's talk about these Christopher Knight chairs. As you can see here in this video, we got these two dining room chairs for our dining room table in our RV, and they're a beautiful, beautiful teal blue, and the wood is almost a near match to the table. It's a little bit lighter, but I mean, just walking around the RV, you really can't tell. These are very comfortable, they're very sturdy, and they're actually pretty easy to put together if you follow the instructions. So now I'm going to show you a video of the bottom of the chairs, and you'll see what I mean. They do cross, and you just have to make sure that when you're screwing these legs in that you get the cross going in the right direction. After that, everything is easy to put these together. As far as how sturdy they are, love these. Super sturdy, no wiggle, no nothing in the chair once I sit in it. I'm about 6'2", 215, and these things, they feel great. The back is very comfortable on them. The bottoms are very comfortable. It's really just a nice chair. I like to keep my reviews kind of quick, so I'm not taking up too much of your time, but I hope this one helped you. Enjoy the rest of your shopping day.